Welcome back. So we are going to present the sixth part of the worksheet. Now the first question here is, for a given polynomial x power 4 2x cube y square 8x square yz plus 10, which term has the highest degree? So as you can see, it is said to be degree. Here the degree is 4, here the degree is 5, here the degree is 4. So center term 2x square x cube y square has the highest degree. It is quite easy. By adding x plus 1 x square plus 1 resultant polynomial. So there are three terms. It is a trinomial. So x square minus 1 by x plus 1 equal to 3. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. We can expand this, hence it becomes like this. And x plus 1 can be cancelled, both numerator and denominator. It becomes 3. Then just take minus 1 to that sort of equal to, it becomes 3 plus 1 4. Zeros of polynomial, just make it equal to 0. So x equal to 0 because it is outside the bracket. And x plus 5 is equals to x minus 5. So 0 comma minus 5, that is option B. Now we are coming to next. It is phi is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca in this expansion. So as you can see, the term that has negative sign has a common variable called c. Since the variable is common and it is c, we say c has to be negative. Okay, so the option is, answer is C. Multiply. So this is mere calculation. We have to square everything. So it becomes 624 by 225 x power 4 y power 4. Okay. Next, x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. So this is one of the largest formula you have in your textbook. So x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. You just remind this. You don't have to write. The last term is abc. So the last term here is minus 15. So it is minus 15. Next, x square plus a plus b is divided by x plus c. So when it is divided by x plus c, you have to make x plus c is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus c. So f of x is equals to x square plus ax plus b. Substitute x as c. So we get this. So the option is B. For a polynomial p of x, if p of 6 equal to 0, which of the following is a factor of p of x? If p of 6 equal to 0, that means p of x equal to 0. So the x value is 6. So x equal to 6. X minus 6 equal to 0. So x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Question number 10. If the polynomial p of x in x and a is a real number, if x minus a is a factor, p of x, then p of a is, so what you do? So a is equals to 2a. Now if p of x is a factor, if it is a factor, then it has to be 0. Okay, then answer very shortly. This is quite simple task. Find the value a cube plus b cube plus c cube. As you know, the formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc if the sum of a plus b plus c term is equals to 0. So we identify the term a, the term b, the term c. These three terms are numerator. So we add and check whether the sum is equal to 0. Yes, a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Hence our formula reduces as this cube plus this cube plus this cube is equals to 3 into a, b, c. So a, b, c respectively value are substituted. So this problem reduced to 3x minus y, y minus z, z minus x is equals to 15. This numerator can be cancelled. All the variables are cancelled. 3 cancel 15 5 times. Fine. This video is not quite clear. Okay, if p is equals to this, qr is given, we need to add, which is quite easy. So you can see bc square minus bc. So if you want to take out common, you can take out. If not, if you leave it here itself, that is okay. Now a plus b plus c is equals to 13. A square plus b square plus c square is equals to 69. Then find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. So all these three terms we get in this identity. Now substitute the respective value. The square of 13 is 169. This is given in the question itself, that is 69. Take that side of equal to it minus 69. Rest is calculation. Okay. So AB, BC plus C is equal. Now the question number 14. The expansion of this leaves the remainder minus 2. When divided by x minus 3, find the value of P. So first what we do? X minus 3 is equals to 0. We calculate. Right? P of x. Remainder. Quotient. Then substitute, because remainder is given to us, so we write an equal to with the polynomial. Substitute all the values as x as 3. Substituting, we get calculation p is equals to 15. So this is mere calculation. You can check with this. Pause the video, write the calculation. Okay, next. Find the remainder when this is divisible by x minus a. So as we are doing, x minus a should be equal to 0. So x equal to a, substituting all the value. So this is also mere substitution. If p is equals to the polynomial is given, then this is also quite very simple calculation. Just multiply minus 2 in the later term, then we get. Pause the video and you can copy down. Okay, if x plus y is equals to 10, these terms are given. So first thing first we need to know is xy. So these three terms occur in this identity. So what we do, we substitute the value of x plus y, x square plus y square 58 plus 2xy. We subtract the square value with 58, it becomes 42. 42 divided by 2 becomes 21. So x into y, we got it. Now just substitute in the formula of x cube minus y cube. So this is quite simple. We know the value of x. This is only arrangement, x square and y square, because they are together given as 58. So we arrange them together and then we substitute the value. It becomes 370. Now next is simplification. Question number 18. There we use these two identities, a cube minus b cube and a square minus b square. As we substitute this identity, we substitute here for the cube, we substitute here for the square. So as you can see, these two terms are same. We can cancel them without calculating. Now these are calculation, multiplication, which becomes 21 by 25. Okay. Next, if f of x equal to this, where k is a constant, find the value of f of k. So what you have to do is just replace x by k. So k minus k becomes 0. 0 into anything becomes 0. So 0 minus 8 equal to minus 8. So f of k is equals to minus 8. Now we are given that if f of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 4. So x minus 2, first we make it 0, find the value of x, substitute here. So after substituting we get equal to, because remainder is given, that is why we have to write equal to 4. Now after substituting the value of x, we get this. So plus 8 minus 8 being cancelled, we get 4. So k is equals to minus 1. Hence, this is quite an interesting problem, very nice problem. So as you can see, the rectangular swimming pool is twice as long as